Hi everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you how you can sell crypto on crypto.com. So in order to sell crypto on crypto.com, first thing first, make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. Now then, to begin with, go ahead and open up your crypto.com application. Once logged in, it's going to take you to the home page that's going to look something like this. So in order to sell crypto on crypto.com, you'll need to tap the trade icon located in the top left hand side corner. So as soon as you click the trade button, on the lower half of your screen, you'll be able to see two different options, that is either to buy or sell. So tap the sell button. Next page, you'll be asked to select the particular cryptocurrency that you wish to sell. So then select it accordingly. Now, you'll be asked to enter in the amount of Bitcoin or the cryptocurrency that you wish to sell. So first of all, tap the fiat wallet. If you have not set up a fiat wallet, then make sure to do it from the very first. And if you've already set up a fiat wallet, then make sure to tap the fiat wallet top right. And after that, you'll need to enter in the exact amount of crypto that you wish to transfer or that you wish to sell. After that, you also, and if you want to convert it to USD, you can do that as well. And once you're done with this procedure, tap the sell button located right at the bottom. And on the other interface, you'll have to go through the confirmation page. So go through it all, and if you're sure about the information you've provided, then click the confirm button. Now you'll be receiving a statement stating that you've successfully sold crypto on crypto.com. So in this way, you can sell crypto on crypto.com. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.